Hello everyone, this is Lewan So. In this episode, I want to introduce our secondary development kit of robotic arm to you. So you can see there is the box which has our robotic arm and every component of it. Firstly, you can see there is a sponge to protect every part of it. Let us move it to a side. And all of these are every part of the robotic arm. The first one is acrylic boards. You can find that there is a protective film in the one side. We can tear it off very easily. This one also have the protective film. After tearing it off, you can see the boards become very shining and very beautiful. Okay, let us put them aside and to have a look for the rest part. There are two sponges. We can use them as a toy when we play with the robotic arm. Then you can make the robotic arm to grab the sponges. How about this? There are two white boxes, and let us have a look for them one by one. The first one, when we open it, you can see there are some sensors in it. The first one is the ultrasonic sensor. Let us put it here. And this is the color sensor, sound sensor, and the photosensitive sensor. The last one is OLED screen. How about this one? This is the power adapter. Okay, let us move to the left side. This is the wireless handle. You can use it to control the robotic arm very conveniently. And in the middle, there are some components of the robotic arm and the USB cable. Okay, let us move to this part. This one is the DuPont wire, the sensor of the robotic arm. You also can find that there are three different colors of box under the inlays. What they use for? We can use the robotic arm to grab this box when we interact with the robotic arm. Okay, we come to here. This is the infrared receiver and three infrared sensors. And this one is the tilt sensor. Okay, let us move to our highlight. You can see there is this is our robotic arm. It has the cool shape. It's very fantastic, do you think so? All of these are every part of the secondary development kit of the robotic arm. Let us have a look at it again. And I will introduce all of them for you one by one. The first one is the infrared receiver, DuPont wire, nano controller, wireless handle, ultrasonic sensor, color sensor, sound sensor, photosensitive sensor, and this one is the OLED screen. How about these three sensors? Actually, they are infrared sensors. And the last one is the tilt sensor. Different kinds of boxes and the two package of components, USB cable, power adapter, the robotic arm body. We can see it very clearly. All of these are all the components of the robotic arm. Now, please allow me to introduce our robotic arm in detail for you. LANARM is a high-performance programmable robotic arm. It has 6 servos to grab in any direction. Full metal body structure makes the robotic arm stable and beautiful. In order to help you write action groups for the robotic arm easily, we provide the visual programming PC software, which is great easy to learn. We can set the action programmings for the robotic arm arbitrarily by dragging and dropping the sliders in the PC software so that it can follow our ideas. In order to make the robotic arm more intelligent, we prepare some sensor modules for you, include infrared sensor, acceleration sensor, sound sensor, photosensitive sensor, and so on. What's more, we prepare detailed tutorials for each electronic modules to introduce their working principle and how to use them. Meanwhile, we will install these electronic modules in the robotic arm, which allows you to better understand the application of sensor modules. We also provide sensor retainer plates for you to install and weld the lines of sensor quickly. We can fix all electronic modules in the retainer plate conveniently. In addition, you can program for the Nano controller by Arduino software directly to write programming easily. So all of these are my introduction of the secondary development kit of the robotic arm. Thanks for your watching.